Hey guys, it's me back on Sheet, and today I'm going to be shooting a tutorial video on how to make an easy paper Dallas mask. And this one is the creepy looking villain mask with the US flag as the design. So this one's going to be slightly different than these in the sense that I'm going to be using the long side of the AFO. So because the mask is pretty long and I don't want to make it too short. So it covers the entire face, including some portion of the hair. So I'm going to do it long way. So despite that, I'm not going to be taking the entire 1 foot long side of the A4 paper. I'm just going to about like 80% of the A4. So somewhere right there, I'm going to start making the head. Okay, I need it to be a bit more bigger, and then there's the cheekbone right around there, and we've got the chin somewhere right there, and there you have it. So that's the basic outline of the silhouette of the mask. And then we have the eyes right around the halfway point, so right there. So there's the eyebrow. So it's a fairly thin eye hole, so it's going to be a bit difficult to look through it compared to the other mask. So that's that, and the rest is up to the designing portion, so I'm not going to deal with those right now. But I am going to say that this one, to make it more 3D, I'm going to cut it out into 2 parts, and then I'll join them later on. So let's see how that goes. First things first, let's cut out the bottom part. And then for the top part, what I'm going to do is cut it a bit higher than where I marked it, just like that. And the same with the eyes. So like that. So we have 2 parts, and we are going to attach these together towards the end, like that. And I'm just hoping it works, because I haven't tried to make a mask like this in over 4 years. The last one I did was probably the Oni mask, and it was one of my favorite masks, but I lost it, and it's not in the mask wall, unfortunately. So if you guys want to see that, then there is one video of it, but that's all. I haven't shown that mask anywhere else, So let me just quickly add some designs on this, and I'll see you when it's done. Okay, let's attach the stars to our flag right there. So I'm just gonna space it and see how many I can fit. Okay, so one more. Alright, let's stick this in there. Right now, once more. Perfect. So that's going to be our flag. I'm not going to add any more details because I already spent a while on these. So the next step is going to be foldings. So let's make this entire thing a 3D object by giving it some folds and then taping the folds. Like that. And let's add the curve right there as well. Then let's add some more folds. One right there. And one right there. Now let's work on the head, top part of the head. I think that should be enough, so let's see if this fits. Alright, that fits fairly decently. So probably ready to stick it in there. But before I do that, I need some red paper to make his nose. So the nose is pretty 3D, and I don't think just making a box like that is good enough, but we don't have time, so that's what we're gonna do. we are gonna make a box. So just like that, fold them into a triangular piece. Cut out the extra bits, and we have a nose. Add some tape underneath. Then just stick it there. But a slight problem is there's that poking out, so I'm just gonna color over it. Okay, so there's the 3D nose. Now let's put everything together. And using some more extra tape, I'm going to secure it in place. Like this. And there you have it. The Dallas, Texas mask. Well, it's not Texas, it's just Dallas. Actually, I need to improve this a little bit. Get a bit more darker. There you go. Perfect. So yeah, that's our Dallas mask for the upcoming Halloween, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what should I do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.